You can put your bags right here.
Okay, here's the room review of room number 345. So we walk in, and here's something here. Oh, it's locked. Let's do it this way. Here's the bathroom. Here's the everything in the bathroom. Oh, master bedroom. Has a little chair here. And I swear it's a closet. It's my first time in this room and hotel. Okay, let's look inside. Yep, pretty much has everything you need. Okay, so we're going back over here. Whoa, beautiful. It's guest room, I guess, and we have a pool view. Ooh, I love it. And we're gonna be in that pool today. Let me open it. A little patio here with 2 chairs and the pool view. Look at this amazing view here, and here's the pool. Awesome. Okay, let's go to the next room. We're going oh, this is master bedroom. This is a big bed and master bathroom. Wow, this one has a toilet, shower, and a little bathtub, and a stand shower here. Of course, a sink. Hello. Okay. And one more corner here, which is a little kitchenette. It has microwave, stove top, no oven, but all this kitchen amenities, I bet. Oh, so we'll be here for 5 days, and it says it's disinfected. Oh, we have dishes and pots. I guess we'll be fine. Maybe we'll go grocery shopping. Full-size refrigerator, which is awesome. I love it. Yeah. Woohoo! And is it pantry? No, it's not a pantry, but it's a mud room. Alrighty, thank you for attention. See you later.